Welcome to our bathroom.
It's time for the blockheads to check out each other's en-suites, starting in house one.
We love it. Don't care what the judges think.
Coming in last place, the judges liked the use of bold colour and geometric shapes, but they spotted a fair few problems too.
Looking at everything now, I'm just looking for mistakes.
The judges felt it didn't hit the 1920s brief. They saw problems with the lighting, felt the shower glass didn't go high enough, and the tiles clashed and were even laid the wrong way. Let's see what the other blockheads think.
No, look at the tile. How pretty.
It's a cutie bathroom.
Oh, look at the skylights.
Yeah.
Up to the tree. That's a nice view.
Yeah, it's awesome. I like it. I like this bathroom.
I actually rate it. I think they've done a beautiful bathroom.
I think these may be a bit in your face.
But I do like the blue and the grey. I really think it's beautiful.
Now, what didn't they like about this?
They muffed up the tiles behind the floor trap.
Ah, yes. OK, I see that now. They had a tiling issue behind their grate. You know, it was running all one way and then behind the grate it turned the other way. Yeah. You know...
Just a pattern issue.
A pattern issue.
Easy to do.
Hold on, I'm just trying to work it out. So it would have been...
Do you want a calculator?
Shut your mouth. Yeah, I wonder why that happened.
Yeah, that's a big mistake.
Yeah.
Once you see that, you can't unsee it.
It does stick out now. You can't unsee, thank you, these things. Oh, what is that? I think it's a pimple or something. Anyway.
Next house.
Next house.
And coming in fourth, the judges thought Daniel and Jay delivered a beautiful contemporary ensuite with great lighting and storage. It didn't look 1930s, and that's not the brief.
We were judging this as a contemporary bathroom. It would be a winner. But the brief is the brief is the brief.
These skylights.
Oh my God, look at
This
the
is beautiful.
shower niche.
You know what? This is absolutely beautiful. I love it.
A buyer will walk into this in 2020 and go, yep, sold. I can see where the judges are coming from with it not being,
It's very 2020.
but it's going to sell, and that's smart.
It's a very safe bathroom.
It is beautiful and grand, but I'm struggling to see the era.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Like a little cake.
Or cheese. The cheese is old and mouldy.
Do you want some cheesecake?
Yeah.
It's got nuts in it, it's a bit nutty.
That'd go great on a Jats cracker. Coming in third place, house number 4. And the judges had an immediate emotional connection with Luke and Jasmine's elegant 1910s ensuite.
Now that is a bit more like it.
But the devil was in the detail. The ensuite lacked face-level storage and towel rails, and the walls were a little off.
That's a hell of a lot of silicone in the top left corner.
Something's not straight.
Perhaps their choice of indoor plant can explain the wonky walls.
Controversial styling choice to have a marijuana plant in the corner there.
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, wow.
This is absolutely beautiful.
This is a perfect size room for a guest bathroom,
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah.
Holy smoke, there's a big chunk of silicone.
Oh, down there, OK, yeah. They had a silicone issue and, you know, they had towel rail issues and lots of issues this week. I know Jazz changed her mind a lot of times with her vanity and...
I think she's got a vanity for every other bathroom in the house now, I reckon.
No storage in the mirror, is that what they...
No, that's what they were saying, yeah.
Dad, it's not above, it's not above. Don't move anything. OK, just...
You like that?
Doesn't flush, doesn't flush.
And in second place was house 2 with Sarah and George's pretty in pink 1940s ensuite. The judges loved the scale and execution.
1940s have never looked so glamorous. It is part bathroom, part cathedral.
Oh, I'm in love.
For Darren, it was love at first sight, and just one word seems to sum it up from the other teams.
Wow.
Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely gorgeous, isn't it?
Luxurious.
Oh, I love
Very nice. Very, very. I love the floor tiles.
They're beautiful.
I thought that our skylights were good, Jade. Have a look up there.
Oh, yeah, wow.
That looks awesome.
We really like Sarah and George's. How everything just seems to be planned absolutely to perfection.
Sarah and George have considered just about every detail.
I've got black toilet paper.
Do they? Holy dooly, that'd be worth a lot right now.
Except they seem to think they're creating a bathroom for giants.
What were they saying about things being high?
So the switcher is high. Switching over.
We wouldn't be doing that very often.
That's something that probably, was missed, but they can, it's something they can learn from. Oh, that's a bit awkward.
I can't even see the top of my head. OK.
That aside, it's compliments all round.
They've done a beautiful job. Oh, and the tap's here.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. All right, Harry.
Who puts...
George is going to kill you. You've made a mess of his bathroom.
Ah, well, no use crying over spilt wine.
Welcome to our winning bathroom. Come on in.
Come in.
Fittingly, House 5 is our last stop, with our winners, Jimmy and Tam, again. The winning 1950s ensuite was part retro swimming pool and part beach house. The green tiles and sink, teamed with the brass and thoughtful finishes, were a hit.
I can't remember the last time I walked into a bathroom that put such a big smile on my face.
Yeah.
Enter the rabbit hole.
Is that a microphone? Copy. 1, 2. Copy. Water. Shower on. Shower on.
It's different.
The room just stands out to me and goes, awesome. However, I've walked in here again and gone, functionality from a builder, I go, uh-oh. For me, the finishing in House 5 wasn't up to scratch on a couple of things. These are heated rails here. When I wipe my body, I'm going to go like this to get the warm patch on. Whereas the towels are all cold.
And Daniel and Jade aren't the only ones seeking out the faults in the reigning champion's bathroom.
Whee, that's fun. Fit my finger around there.
We thought ours was maybe a bit big. Oh, dear.
We got slammed because our screen wasn't high enough. Should have gone possibly to the blue tile there.
Yeah, see, there's a comment that
Shane didn't mention it here at all.
Basically, the judges said their room was basically perfect, except for one or two little things. But then the shower screen, Now's was not perfect, yet it was higher, and Jimmy and Tam's didn't go all the way top, so, well, then it's not a perfect room.
Not happy at all.
It's funny though, like these blokes went for lunch on Saturday, right? And you have a look at their paintwork on the window. Like, look at the yellow coming through. It's all stained, hasn't been painted. As soon as you get that emotional connection with the judges, it's all over. Doesn't matter what else is in the room. You could sit a pig in the corner, mate. They're not going to notice it.
Do you think at this point in the competition you've got a bit of a target on your back?
It is huge.
Yeah, and we aim to make it bigger. Just keep winning.